Okay, so coronavirus quarantine update. At first we were told that you shouldn't be wearing a mask when you go out to the grocery store. It's stupid. Now they're saying masks are a good thing. I don't have a sewing machine and I have a bunch of fabric, so I thought I would make a mask with just my glue gun and just whatever I could find around the house. So I have this extra material and I've doubled it and took my glue gun and glue gunned it here, and now I'm going to put on the straps. So for the ears, I'm going to just use brand new ponytail holders. I've never worn them in my hair. I just took them off the thing here. And then I don't have any ribbons, so I accidentally found these just by accident. Found these I had cut off of a shirt. They were just the little straps that help you hang them. And so I cut them off, but I hadn't thrown them away yet. So I thought I would use these, and these will be my ties for the back. So, and then the last thing I got was a piece of wire right here. And my husband cut it for me. So the wire's gonna go right over the nose so that I can tighten it and fasten it so no air is coming in. So I am going to right now.
Now how did you glue the fabric? You folded it over and glued it?
I ironed it first, right? And then I just took my glue gun and did that. I'm about to do the same thing right now, so you can see how I do the side. So actually I'm going to just iron it first.
And the material's doubled up from what it was?
Yeah, it's just doubled up. Yeah.
And of course, this is not medical grade fabric.
No,
it's just
this is just
fabric
to protect me when we go out. Because like I said, at first they said no masks necessary. And now it's masks are a good idea. Wear a mask. So
or maybe they're a good idea until later today.
Yeah.
Or then maybe tomorrow and then it'll...
Maybe they'll change their mind. But I have...
Every hour.
I have masks, or I have glue gun, and I have material, so I'm going to make masks.
And I guess you could, if you had to, you could make one from a sheet, an old sheet you had. You could cut it up, or a pillowcase.
Or an old pillowcase, yeah. So this just happened to be leftover fabric from something a piece of furniture I made, actually. So... Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bed of glue down so that I can put my wire in there. But before I do that, I'm going to iron it so I know where I'm going to go. Alright, so I'm just going to do the very center. My wire right on top. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do more. I want to glue the ends really well so that the wire doesn't poke through. I'm only going to do just the center part right here. And let that dry. Well, while this is drying, I'm going to take my little ponytail holders. My two ends are open. I'm going to take my ponytail holders and glue them right here. First, I'm going to put the glue down. Okay, so I'm going to put my glue down. Now I'll glue over the top. Don't want it to stick to the So now, last thing I'm going to do is, glue these on.
So that glue actually sticks that good, huh?
We'll see, won't we? So,
I guess so.
To begin, I'm going to iron this.
What kind of glue is it?
Just regular glue for a glue
Just
gun.
glue gun glue, huh?
Yeah.
Just put it right on top of the bead.
Yeah. I'm going to need to add more glue. I'm just doing it just right now, just to hold it.
It's pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, it will definitely be something different to look at. I'm sure people in the store will wonder where in the world I got such an ugly mask. But I will be protected. Keep me from giving anybody else my cooties, even though I don't have coronavirus. And I'm not endangering.
It doesn't mean you don't have cooties, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cooties.
Okay, so now I'm going to make it so it'll tuck under your chin. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pinch it and then I'm going to glue it on both sides, but I want to iron it down. I can probably even iron the crease through the whole thing. It needs to be able to curl up under your chin. If you just had it like this, it wouldn't be tight.
Right.
So I'm going to make it so it curls up underneath the chin. So now I'm going to put that right there. That right there. And I still have to do it on the other side too. Do it on this side.
So you flipped it over.
Flipped it over. And I'll do one more fold. So my last one is going to be like this. Just let it dry. Okay, so in trying this on, as you can see, I've got it folded here. I realized that in order to keep my face protected, I need to make one more fold down this way. So I'm going to make one more fold right here and glue them.
So it's kind of a trial and error thing as you're making it?
Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just making it as I go along. But I know that I will be protected when I go out.
So people, if they make one of these, they just can kind of fold as needed.
Yeah, and so I only had a couple of these. So if I had 2 of them, I wouldn't need these. But if I had 4 of them.
And those little things go around, the scrunchies go around your ears?
No.
No?
Nope.
Oh. Where do they go around? The loops don't go around your ear?
No. No.
Seems like that'd be a good idea.
Yeah, but it won't work.
Oh.
Tried that already.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. So, because I don't have 2 ties, this goes in here, and I only tie
Oh, you run
once.
it through the loop.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then,
I see.
so when this dries, it'll fit just like this. And
Oh, yeah,
then
it looks
this
good.
comes around here.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Yeah, nice. Let's
Don't
give it
let
a
it
shot
go.
here in a little bit, eh?
Yep. Yep.
All right, rock on. It looks actually pretty cool. Okay, the final product.
Yep. Final product.
How's it feel?
Good. Good. It's tight. Nice and tight. There's tied back there, but, yeah.
You did put those loops around your ear just to help?
I did, just to hold it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
But this really works, keeping it tight. This
Yeah.
wire, that really helped.
Huh.
So,
Looks good.
Yeah. So I'm all ready to go to the store.
Oh, sweet.